What's up, guys? So, I'm going to show you guys how to tune a 6.7 Powerstroke. Okay, so I say tune because I am not a tuner. A tuner is one who tunes. I'll show you how to flash, I guess that's the term for it, flash a 6.7 Powerstroke with an SCT X4, I believe this one is. Anywho, OBD 2 port, plug it in. It should, yeah, let's turn it on. See that? All right, program vehicle. Right now it is on street use notice, or no, that's just a notice. Never mind, it's not. I think it's on street though. All right, let's continue. Turn the vehicle ignition key to on. Press continue. Let's turn all that off. So we have a hot street, a race, a street, a tow for those years. And then we have 13 and 14 as well. These are all available custom tunes. No preloaded tunes. So hot street. I think I have street on right now. I wish it would tell you. It doesn't tell you what you have loaded. So let's just see that. Is that going to focus? Can you see that? I don't know if it's the screen. There we go. Oh. All right. Hot street, race, street, tow. But I don't. Let's put it on race. Whoops. Let's put it on race. Stock everything. Special options available. Okay. Oh, stupid tire thing. Adjust tire pressure sensors. 34 is 34. I don't know why. And then it does this. 34 is big as they go for Fords. This isn't the first time I've heard this on other tuners like Easy Link and stuff like that. They also only go to 34, which doesn't make sense because I have 37s on here and it's almost a stock height truck. It's a little bit lifted. It's got blocks. This is whatever. Turn key off. All right. Turn the vehicle's ignition to on. See? Unlocking processor. Setting up processor. Everyone says you gotta like plug your, hook up battery chargers to your truck and stuff. I don't see why. I think it doesn't make sense. It's not using that much power. Maybe if you have weak batteries or if it's cold, something like that. Maybe. But this is a small computer in this truck and the fuel pump is priming. That's it. So ECU is downloading tune. This takes a little bit. So we'll be back in a second. Super easy. A few minutes later, like 2 or 3 minutes later. Unlocking processor. Setting up processor. There's an echo in here. Echo. Yeah. Whatever. Tuning trucks are very hard. Very complicated process. Only professionals should do this. That's me. I'm a professional. Professional breaker. Break stuff. I actually meant to, I was going to do this to get the now it does this. It is downloading tune. I actually was going to do this to turn the tune down because the transmission was acting or feeling a little funny, and I don't really want to beat it up, especially because the Dodge is not ready yet. But then it said race tune, so here we are. I'm gonna run it for a couple days. I'm gonna see. I don't really think race tune will actually feel that different in normal everyday driving, especially with stock injector, stock turbo. All we have is the delete done, and a straight pipe exhaust and a cold air intake. So it can't. I don't think it's gonna make that much more power over the delete tune in a noticeable power area, because sure, it could add torque and horsepower on the top end, but if I'm not driving at 3,500 RPMs, then I'm never going to use that power. So I just want to see. Who knows? It might be a freaking monster in the mid-range. It might come alive. It already is alive. Like, this truck doesn't need to be tuned. This truck is awesome. But we'll see. We're at 89%. Almost done with this step. And I think that's it. 97, 98, 99, 100. Clearing trouble codes. Download complete. Tuner has programmed successfully to vehicle turnkey off. Done. That's it. So, let's crank it up. Let's hear it. God, I got new windows. These are awful. Sounds normal to me. Whatever. Alright guys, so as you just saw, the truck runs a lot better. I'm going to say a lot better. It does run, has more power, okay? With race tune, it does have more power. But I don't like it. The amount of boost it was putting out with this stock turbo, not a recipe for success. All right, this is the 2011. If you have a 2011 or 2012, you don't want to mess with this turbo. It's a problematic turbo. It was a good guess, I guess, for Garrett, but not a W. This is an L actually. So I am putting it on the tow tune. We're not even doing street, nothing. We're just gonna put it back on tow and you know, calm it down. Race tune was fun. As you saw, it kind of rolls a little bit more coal. It puts it out there, but in typical fashion with a VGT, or with this VGT at least, it spools so quick that it's really hard to like roll coal like a Cummins, you know, where it's just like, brah. Can't do it with this. So it's just those little wisps of some smoke, because it boosts so fast. If you saw in the beginning where I showed you the boost, where it goes up just past 35 pounds, it actually does that in about 500 RPMs. So that's how fast this is boosting. You know what I mean? It's spooling from 5 pounds to 35 plus pounds. I bet it's like 37, 38 pounds in 500 RPMs. So that's a lot of, it spools that fast. That's why it can't really roll coal. There's a couple times, like when I went to the intersection, that was actually in 5th gear, something like that, where I just kind of stood on it. And that's when you get that darker black. But once it spools again, it spools quick still, regardless of gear. So that was cool. And I know that if for some reason I need to go faster than what this fast truck already does, I mean, this is a fast truck still. So if I need to go faster than that with a stock truck, I can put the race tune on and rip it. So that's it for this. Like I said, I'm putting it back to the tow tune, because that's pretty much what this truck does. It's either daily drive or tow. That's it. We don't race with this truck. Yeah, at least. I mean, when I want to blow this engine up, we might start racing with it. But for now, we don't want to blow it up because the Cummins, sitting right over there actually, is not ready. Probably won't be for a few months because it's a project and I'm lazy and whatever. But when it does get ready, that's when we'll start playing with this truck a little bit more. Once I get a second engine for this, actually. I do want to switch to the 17 engine, like I said. So, anyways, like, subscribe, comment, tell me what tunes you're running for your truck. Tell me what truck you have first, and then tell me what tunes and who the tuner is. I don't know who the custom tunes are for this. The shop that I had delete the truck, they put these on here. I don't know who the tunes are, anything like that. But I do, when I put the 17 engine in here, I will have the shift on the fly. I'm pretty sure I'm going to go easy link. I would like shift on the fly with the Cummins, which is a 5.9 common rail, but I don't know what tuner to use for that. I haven't really found one that has shift on the fly available. I have a Smarty Junior for it, which seems to be fine, I guess. Like, that's what everyone seems to use. But I really like the switch on the fly. That seems really fun and cool. So, anyways, tell me what I should do. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see. Stuff like that. And we'll go from there. All right? See you guys next time.